Hello, billionaire traders. If you really want to understand how to catch every move of the market, this video will open your eyes. All right. Now, this video will explain to you how I'm able to catch every move in the market, and I'll be using this particular currency pair, GBP JPY, as an example. Right now, one thing I like to do is I want you to understand or to have the ability to recognize pattern. If you can understand pattern, you can take every little advantage of the market, even if you are looking at the market from the 15-minute time frame or on the 5-minute time frame. Right now, I'm on the 15-minute time frame. Now, you can see what we have here on the 15-minute time frame. Price, all right, shoot up from here, all right, towards this direction. And we have this build up here, right? You can see we have this build up here. Now, this is a what? A bullish flag. Once you're able to identify this pattern, what happened? This is how we should just look for what? A buying position. All right? And once the market break out from here, you go for buys. This is how to understand patterns. And if you had gone for buy, just risking, let's say you're risking 44 pips or 40 pips, you will be getting over 1:3, right? Which is over 1:124, right? Now, this is 1. All right. Now, once price got here, the moment price got here, what happened? We had this a little bit of, right? Price retraced back from here. Now, you should know that in every breakout, there's always a retest, right? So price broke out of this resistance, came back on the support. Now, this is another opportunity for you to long, right? Let's say you went on long here. All right. Let's say you went on long here, and you're just risking, all right? You're just risking, let's say here, you're just risking 22 pips. Now, price got all the way here. This is over 1:3.5. So far, so good. You've gotten to trade 1 and 2, right? Now, let's continue. Now, what happened? Price broke below this particular support and came here. Now, you can see what type of pattern is this? What type of pattern is this? This is to let you know that, all right, we have sellers coming into play, right? The buyers are done buying, right? Now the trend is about to move from buying trend to selling trend. And how do you know? This is a what? A bearish falling wedge, right? Now this is a pattern I need you to have in mind. You can see price does something like this. This is a continuation pattern. Once you're able to spot patterns like this, that means the market is about to drop, right? Now, see what happened? Price dropped all the way here, created this side movement, and you have this consolidation inside, then price dropped. Boom. Very smooth. Now, if you are able to understand this type of movement, trust me, you will be profitable always in the market. After I spotted all this, you can see price dropped from here. Price dropped from here all the way here. You can see, let's say you are able to catch it, right? You've been following this market, you saw this particular pin bar, all right, like a shooting star. Now look at it. Let's say you're risking, let's just say you're risking 30 pips, all right? Now look at, boom, all the way here, right? This is 1:5. It's very smooth on one particular currency pair, which is GJ, right? Now we've gotten 3 setup, right? 3 trade, very, very smooth. Now price got here. Now, what do you see? We had a little bit of consolidation and price tried to move up from here to here. Now, once you're able to understand this pattern, what do you have here? This is another falling wedge, right? Another falling wedge or a falling flag that you may even say is a falling flag or falling wedge, right? Now, price is about to move to the downside again, right? Now, price got here and created a double top, right? On this double top, what happened? Boom, price sold again. From here, price sold all the way down here, right? Price sold all the way down here. Now, because of I understood that this is a continuation pattern, right? A selling continuation pattern. That is the reason why I'm confident in going for another short here. Why? Because of this particular pin bar here, which is a shooting star as a confirmation, right? Price tried to shoot up, the bulls try to shoot price up here, because here we have this is a support zone, right? But the sellers were able to overpower the buyers because they are in charge, right? They've been in charge right from here. Now, if this particular market drop below this zone, this is my other second entry on this market, and my stop loss is well positioned here. This is how you can catch every move in the market if you really want to become profitable. Ability to what? Understand pattern, ability to recognize pattern. Look at this pattern, right? This is an expansion, right? And price, first touch, second touch, then this is the third touch here, and price, boom, right? So right now, what we're having here right now is movement in price, and once price is able to break below this support, right, then that means I'll be taking another position here right now, right? So let's look at another example on gold. Right now on gold, I was able to take a very good positions on gold. You can see I held this particular trade for about 2 good days, right? This is my first entry and this is my second entry. I got out of this trade when the price hit our final TP. My final destination was also here, but I was going to go out, so I wouldn't want to be having a position that I could not even manage while I'm on the road. That was I opted out from here. Then I was supposed to get in again when price came back to retest here, right? But this happened, I was not aware. Sometimes we miss your entering, so you don't have to chase the market, right? But we made a very good profit here on this 2 trade. What happened? Now, price, I was able to catch this buy after this CPI. This move here is a CPI move. So after I saw that price is no longer selling, the bulls are in charge. So price broke out of this resistance, came back here to support. So I got in here and I took profits away from here, right? You can see this is over 1:5, risk to the world, right? Now I was able to risk a little here, risk a little here, and this is where we got that from, right? 1:5, right? So I had this particular trade for 3 good days. After the 3rd day, then price dropped back down here, and this move happened on Friday last week, right? Now this week I was able to catch the buy because I already knew that gold is in an all-time buy, so I was waiting for a proper price action for me to go in for a buy. Now what happened? I had to draw my parameters. So after I discovered that price, is respecting this level of resistance, right, and becoming a support here, you can see it was a resistance here, your resistance, and now also resistance here, and I became a support. So I went in here and I took profit out from here. You can see very smooth trade, which is 1:3.3, right? Then after price gave us some impulse and correction, then I had to go in again, scaling another trade. You can see, boom. Then this is how I was able to ride this market up onto this level here, right? And this is a very smooth way you can use to catch every move in the market. You can see the simple strategy here is just to break out and retest. Once price was able to break out, once I would identify a particular, psychological level, wait for price to break that zone, right, and come back as a retest. You can see price broke here, and ever since then price has been bouncing off of this support, right? It was the last movement. You can see the weak rejection here, and price came back again, then boom, you can see. Now I missed all this move, but that's okay, right? I just want to let you see how you can use a very simple strategy like this to make money in the market. You don't need a whole lot of, there's no holy grail strategy. Once you find what works, stick to it. That's how you can become profitable. If you find this video interesting, make sure you like and follow me for more. Thank you.